Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create a X or Twitter account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your Twitter, all right? And you can continue with Google, and you can continue with Apple. You can just create your own account. If you want to create your account, you can just go ahead, type your name, phone number or email address, and then the date of birth, okay? So after you add the date of birth, right, you can just go ahead into selecting right here that day. Let's say for example 21, so 21 June 2001. You're gonna continue to the next step, okay, which is right here. You need to verify your phone number via SMS, and it says right here, if something went wrong, that means that your account your phone number is probably used. So continue, or email for that matter, okay? And here it says they send a verification code, right? And you gotta just check your email, Gmail, or iCloud for code. Right here, you gotta refresh. All right, you gotta just wait for a few moments, okay? And basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just add the code that you copied or got from Twitter to your that you got from Twitter, and add it to your basically your account, okay? And basically after you add that thing, or after you add the code, what you're gonna do, you're gonna select your content, you're gonna choose which content that you prefer and all that, and then now you finish setting up your account after you added your username and all that. So follow along the on-screen instructions and you'll be fine. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.